Welcome.
Afraid of drowning. Afraid of drowning.
Sophie dog. She's a freaking dog. Pretty cool. Look at that sweet bow.
What's up?
Scooter Day.
Scooter Day Part 2. Just to catch you guys up, it's been a week since we got the other scooters. 2 Honda Aero 50s, a 1985 and a 1986. Yesterday, Cody surprised me by saying, "Hey Ralph, you know how you were looking for these scooters for 3 years and I found 2? Well, I found a third one, and it's only like, what, it was like $300?
It was listed for $300. It was listed incorrectly as a Honda Aero. No CC information or anything like that, except for one photo of the front end of it. The listing was for $300. I shot him a DM and I asked him if I could have it for 2. He said, "It's my son's. I don't care. Come get it out of my garage." $200 on the spot, and we got a scooter.
Yeah. So it's actually a 1986. We checked the little plate number. So turn that real quick. So if you look under here, that plate right there tells you what year it is. So that one's a 1986 as well. So now we have not 2, but 3. So we have that one. We have that one. My car's in the way and the garage is a mess. And then we have the 1985 that we already started taking some plastics off of. Today, we're going to pull the car out and just work on the scooters. Clean up the garage a little bit too. There's plenty of room in here. It just has to be organized better. For now, we're just gonna start moving stuff out of the garage. Cool, let's get to it.
So first step, deconstruction. We got to tear this whole baby down, get every single plastic off of it. We're gonna rip out the ignition, and we're gonna install this ignition with this key into the other Aero 50 to see if that one actually runs. Pliers? You got needle nose? There's a screw, right?
Yeah, there's a screw on the bottom right here.
And this unfolds.
Yeah, and then there's a screw right
Oh
there.
yeah, I see that. Okay. So
Every time you tell me to grab a tool, I feel like you're my stepdad or something, and you're just like, "Get me this tool." You grab
hold the flashlight still.
You grabbed the wrong tool. What are you, an idiot?
I can't believe I raised you.
You're lucky your mother's hot.
I don't even want to be in this marriage anymore.
You're taking the whole harness off?
So
Why don't
not
you just,
the whole harness.
Why don't you just unplug?
Well, I want to switch this panel out.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I want to deconstruct
Got
this
it.
panel as much as possible.
Is the panel on the other one better?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, a lot better.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this side is all like broken and shit. There's
So-
a spider.
With the Tact, see how these are the blinkers on the US version? So the Tact and I believe the Honda Vision, which is the AF09 in Europe, they don't have the blinkers here. So this is all smooth, looks really nice, and the blinkers are actually into this right here. So that's what we're gonna do. Or we could do what I saw somebody did this. They got Tact plastics, and then they ran this up here because it doesn't have blinkers, so it looks even smoother. And they just did no blinkers.
Oh, can you just hand signal?
I guess so, yeah.
Or just fuck it because fuck the law.
Yeah. Ignition is already off of this one. Super easy, Cody said. So now we're gonna switch it out to this one. And then try to kickstart it, I guess.
Yep.
This is in so much better condition than the 85.
Do this. You see how many miles are on this? 15. Mine has 2,400.
What's the 85 have?
Less than that.
Oh.
Yours has less than this on it. Less than 15, I think. Right?
Wow. I don't know. The new one, the $200 one, has 15, so close to 16. All right. This one has 21. This one has 17. And then the Elite has 19. What's up?
We got a bad one here. I know why it's not starting. That's a mouse's house. Look at that. Wow. Some of these wires are just completely shot. We could probably rebuild this.
Yeah, I'll just get one.
And actually the ignition switch is the least chewed through one. This is not going to start today. But that's fine. So basically then today, I think our goal, instead of trying to get this one started, since we know what we need to do on this one, that one is going to become the project for today.
Yeah. Which we know this one already starts and runs.
Yep.
Yeah, everything's good on it.
Yep,
We don't
so
have,
now-
doesn't need any wiring or anything. It just needs plastic switched over.
Yep.
The dirt tires removed. We got new tubes and tires. And then I guess Cody's gonna try to lower it today. Cool. Oh, another house for a mouse.
There might be a mouse in here.
Oh God.
What if we find a dead mouse?
I mean, he did say this sat in a garage for a long time, right?
Yeah, very long time. No wonder this thing was 200 bucks. Oh my God.
Ugh.
It's all up in here in the frame.
Yo, Gabe's here.
Gabe's here.
Oh, and he brought the rig. Look at this beautiful shot.
That's a nice truck.
Woo, that's a nice rig. All right, everybody, this is Gabe. Say hi.
You too.
Yeah, he'll probably stop by on Sundays when we're hanging out and filming stuff now.
So, okay.
I'm gonna take the golf out, so now we have to put wood in the driveway. That one, the wood fell off when my neighbor ran it over because I left it in the driveway.
See these thighs? You see how these thighs move? Come towards me a little bit. Is he on that side? Yeah, you're good on this side. Oh my God. You should see this wood bowing. You're good though. You're gonna be off in the rear. Here, stay right there. There you go. And then just go to your right.
Are you good?
Yeah. Beautiful. Look at that. Damn. Who cares about that thing? Do you see this? Whoa. Whoa.
All right, we're taking a quick break from the scooters to check out the cars. This is Cody's Jetta Mark III, and there's my Golf, which is looking decent right now. Minus that, still missing the cap. Yeah, this is the first time you've seen this Jetta. We'll do a full in-depth video on this one day. We'll do like a cruise with this and stuff. So we made this a year ago. It's reflective, so at night it looks pretty cool. I love the double Smart Cruise sticker.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's got style. Shout out to Car Shop Majestic.
It's got style, it's got grace.
All right, let's go keep plugging away with the scooters.
Yep. So we got a front drum brake, and these pads look pretty good.
How can you tell?
So you see how much meat you got on there?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, on the side. Okay.
Yep.
That's,
Yep. So
oh.
it's like a disc. So it's gonna.
Oh, okay.
It puts pressure on the inside of here by spacing this out wider.
Oh.
Yep.
It seems like it was relatively easy to get off.
Yeah, and I even got one of the front struts loose here, and I just got to get the bolts off up here, and we are good to go to lower this front end.
Sweet. You can take that tire off now, though?
Pirelli tires. Decent.
See you later.
Pirelli Scorpion. Where does it say Scorpion? Oh. Scorpion.
Wow.
This is how you do YouTube.
Yeah, if you ever wanted to know how to make a YouTube video, you just do.
Hey, what's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing some sweet modifications to scooters.
What's up? My name is Ralphie Too Fast.
Where you use tire levers to get that off?
I don't know what we're gonna do.
I mean, it looks the same as like a bike tire.
Yeah, right.
Like to get it off.
I don't know anything about owning a bicycle. I've never owned a bicycle in my life.
Luckily, I work at a bike shop.
Yep, so we're gonna need your expertise here.
Yo, Nate's here, so I'm gonna go say what's up. There he is down there. So yeah, Nate just got here. This is his Subaru right here. Check this out real quick. You drove like an hour and a half, right?
Yeah.
To get here?
About an hour and a half.
Cool. And you were saying this is one of the only bumpers like this in the
Yeah, it's an inspection body kit. As far as I know, they only ran them until '97. And they went out of business. They worked in a shoe factory to make all this stuff.
Dang. It looks so good though.
Yeah, I know.
Like I honestly wish I could get a bumper like this because like I love how like
like a
when
BN
the
kit.
yeah like if I could get some type of BN kit on the Golf, I mean it probably would look silly, but
Actually, if you want, you could line up my S13 skirts and see how if they're too long or too short or whatever.
they'll probably be too long.
Well,
But
that
we
would
could
be
try
easier.
it.
They're too short for me. I have to modify and make them longer.
Oh really?
But we could.
Let's try it real quick.
But I have to actually cut this piece off, and then I'm gonna have to lengthen it back here. Actually, they're pretty freaking close.
Yeah, right?
Like, you only have to lengthen it a little bit.
No, but I have to cut it for the doors.
Yeah, but you could cut this off and mold it, or like glue it to the door or something.
That's true. I have side skirts for it that I haven't put on yet. So there's a company that made parts for these called ABT.
Yeah.
So I have like an ABT rep skirts for it that look pretty good.
Definitely if you're going for that Japanese style, like
Yeah.
having a really thick skirt kit, like a 240 or Skyline or
Yeah.
you know, old Nissans or any Toyota.
Hell yeah. Fun to drive?
Yeah.
Love
This
these.
thing when I bought it, it had bent valves. Those are real Ganadors.
Whoa.
They're real. They're pretty nasty, but they're real.
That's all that counts is that they're real, right?
Yeah, and they have right-hand glass still, so you can't see shit. Same with my headlights. I have right-hand drive headlights because
Yeah.
they don't have amber because I love clear.
Yeah.
And like the cutoff is way over here. I blind everyone with them,
Oh my god.
but they're fully clear. Like there's no amber at all.
Yeah.
I need to restore them again though. Actually, like have it layered. So
Oh,
you see how like
yeah,
it
yeah,
comes
yeah.
up like squared?
Yeah.
I want it to where it follows the window.
Yeah. You could definitely cut it up and manipulate it a little
Yeah,
bit. That'll be sick.
I just didn't know your opinion on that.
Yeah, no.
If you were like, oh no, I don't want you to cut my thing. Like I totally.
No,
understand.
I've like gotten stickers from other people and done the same thing, like just made it fit the area I wanted to a little bit better. Taking some photos of the cars real quick.
I love you, Carla. I love like the stickers are like cool. Like everything about it's cool. The hard steering wheel.
Thank you.
I really wish I could get my hands on like a pink one.
So that one was black. I bought it from a friend who bought it from Yucky in Japan.
Yeah.
And had it shipped over and it was black. So when I bought it from him, I just had a friend paint it. So like
It's got like sparkle. It looks cool.
Yeah, it's got pearlescent and sparkle to it.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
I like the tint too. It has like little reflective stars in it.
Yeah.
Like, that's awesome.
The tint was there was a guy that I found on eBay who was selling it, and it was from the 90s.
Yeah.
And he was like, this has just been sitting around. I don't know if it still works or whatever in the description. So it was like $10 and I bought it. And luckily there was enough to do just 2 windows.
Oh, you just tint the other ones dark like you did.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Thank you. So this is his car. He's gonna head out in a few minutes. I'm just gonna get back to working on scooters. So let's go back to do that. All right, so to lower it, we have the Gentsuki house book, which is sweet. It's full of just really cool scooters and everything. Really good inspiration for builds, but it also tells you how to lower it. We're just gonna go ahead and take the spring out. I'm going to try to do this one-handed. Oh my God, the other one was so much easier.
I know.
Ah, there we go. All right, so just hold it still.
No, you can just spin this top off.
There we go.
Beautiful.
So it's not like a car. You don't have to like worry about anything shooting off, but there's the spring. And then on the inside, some people put skateboard bushings like that, so that way it's not super dropped. We're not going to. The tire might rub. If the tire does rub, then we will grab some skateboard bushings and put them in. Yeah, that's how you lower it. And it's gonna look like this. So it's very, very small. So it's like about like 1.5 inches, 2 inches.
Yeah, about 2 inches lower.
Yeah, sweet. And this expired in 1995. Thank you.
I think my finger might have been over the speaker in the
Oh,
back,
you're
so if
fired.
it's muffled,
You gotta go. You gotta get him out of
I
here.
realized, I was like,
Fired.
oh, wait.
Sweet.
I'm gonna pull this off to the stupid plastic panel.
Suspension's already on. We just gotta get the tire on and then do the rear suspension and rear tire. put the plastics on, and we should be able to ride it. I don't know if we're gonna get it all done tonight, but hopefully.
Tires!
Ooh, my teeth. Suspension is all lowered. We got that one back on. The front suspension is on. We got the front tire on, which is over there, and we're trying to put the rear tire on now. So we can put these on and then start putting the fairings on, and then hopefully see what it looks like lowered. I know this video has been like a lot of just kind of talking and not so much action, but yeah, still getting the hang of filming and stuff while we're working. It's a little bit hard because there's so much that we're trying to do. Few hours later, and everything should work now. We're about to kick it off the kickstand, see how it looks lower.
Oh my god, how low this is.
Yeah, it's straight. Keep going.
Goodbye.